friends, group of people I
All right, here we go. There's my proof video. And then here's the bike, guys. This is my 1989 KTM 350. I'm going to be entering this into the vintage class. Again, this is an 89, not a 98. So we got a lot of like seals, gaskets, things like that messing up on me. Currently, right now, I am getting coolant into the motor oil. So we know that's no good. We're going to have to pull this motor out, take a good look at it. Couple things like our plastic is all busted up, tail lights busted up. I'll bring you along here. You can see something was living up in this seat. Look at this nastiness. So something was living comfortably in that rear seat. Try to bring you along to the front. You can see real quick. There's our buddy Taz. And I'll bring you along to this side of the motor real quick. You can see like my rubber boots all rotted out and our plastics are totally gone from our chain guide and things like that. Anyway, coming up on a minute, this is going to be my entry. So if you guys like the bike, make sure you stay tuned and we'll see what this thing's going to look like in the future.